Hello everyone, and welcome to GlitchSip. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find any structure in any Minecraft seed using a very simple and easy-to-use mod called SeedCrackerX. First, we need to install this mod. You can find it on the itch.io page. As you can see, you just search for SeedCrackerX, make sure it's from the correct creator, scroll all the way down, and download the version that matches your Minecraft version. In my case, I'll be using version 1.21.1. You'll also need to download the Fabric API, which you can find on Forge as well. Just make sure you select the same Minecraft version you plan to play on. Again, in my case, it's version 1.21.1. Once you have both files downloaded, press Windows plus R, which will open the Run window, type %appdata, and click OK. Then open the .minecraft folder. Inside it, you'll find the Mods folder. Now, go to your Downloads folder, and as you can see, we have both the Fabric API and the SeedCrackerX mod. Simply move both files into the Mods folder. This completes the first step. It's also important to make sure you have the correct Fabric version installed, because without it, the mod won't work properly. Once that's done, we can move on. After launching the game, as you can see, we're now inside our Minecraft world using version 1.21.1. From here, what we need to do is actually very simple. We're going to open the chat and type the following command, /locate_structure. If we want to find a specific structure, we just add its name. On the mod's interface, you can see all the structures that can be located, such as igloos, desert pyramids, jungle temples, and more. For example, if we type igloo, press Enter, and click on the location, Minecraft will take us directly to the igloo. As you can see, we've successfully found it. We can do the same thing with other structures. For example, we type /locate_structure, select another option, like a pillager outpost, click the destination, copy it, and the game will teleport us directly to that location. Using this mod, you can easily find any structure or location inside your Minecraft world, no matter the seed. And that would be everything for this video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to GlitchSip, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Minecraft tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.